Good morning. I hope I didn't wake you up too early. One of the trips that I look forward to most every year is coming out here to Wisconsin and seeing Rachel's family and getting to spend a little time up here in just one of the most beautiful places in the entire world, in my opinion. Everything is just green and lush, water everywhere, and everybody is happy. We would just like to catch some fish for dinner. Add a little start. Brain them against the motor, make it an easy one.
Then we tied you to the bow.
That's how you do them.
No, that's how we do you.
Stinger making another pass. There we go. Again. Yeah. Just kick them all over the place, slime up the entire boat.
No, I'm the idiot that lost it. Oh, you're the right.
You put there's a deal on there, Paul. Can you get marked? That's just the most fish I've seen on the screen all day. So I'll make sure I have another one.
We are on that. I mean, it's not affecting this contour. Out a little deeper is where there's that channel that cuts out a little bit.
Yeah.
I remember having luck on that last time. There were some crappie beds out on this thing. But that's not on this contour line. That's deeper.
I know it's like deeper than that, where it has a real pronounced jog.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of these half ones, like you just said, looks longer than
saw that
whole one.
hot.
Yep. I know what you mean. I was just looking at the half I left in here, and it looked bigger than the one you just showed me.
It's called a quick trip for a reason, not fat worm and valuable bait are us.
I thought the QT and the KT were the same thing, so that's on me. Oh, it's not even that quality.
Oh, throw him in the boat.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah, it's okay. Sean said I can do it.
No, he didn't.
He did.
No, unless you're
We're not eating it.
bait. Right.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm using it as bait.
Oh. It doesn't. I'm gonna lose him, aren't I? I don't want
Pretty much, yeah.
Don't bring him in here.
The big teaching moments for me this year. Making sure I can get things off the line, and I know how to do it properly. Especially my nemesis.
That not a new species for you?
It is a new species for me, yes. But I should have taken it off myself.
It's fine.
I went for deer life last night. Is it pivot turn?
All right, go ahead, throw him back.
Okay. Wait, can
Okay.
I? Okay. Be free, friend. Wait.
And then get that other rod.
Just fire him in.
Sports, you got to do the saltwater release where you spear them down.
Torpedo his ass.
Yes. Pull
You
this
want
one
to
so you can
kickstart
redo
his
it.
run.
It's not, I don't think
You want the net?
it's, no.
That might be a keeper, man.
I already allowed to pinch, that's the thing.
Yeah, you have to be able to pinch. And plus that's a 15.5 mark, isn't it? No, that's a 15. This still is over it.
Oh, it was fine. I think we had to do that.
Not taking a chance on it. Maybe a short walleye. Nope, good. Not even a good one.
It's the little ones. They got a lot of punch to them. They got the energy.
They do taste better.
Hooked in the face.
Yeah, those little ones, they taste better.
Oh, whoa.
No, that's, you need a tape for him. You got it. Can you reel in that one?
Way to stop your fucking troll on any target species.
Right when you find the spot. Let's move.
Oh. Oh.
Wait. Hold on.
Heartbreaker. I can't get it.
Stretch that fucker.
Rock him. We could get him stretched out.
Just pop a couple of the back vertebrae. It's all you needed.
What's wrong with this one? I don't know.
Yeah, I know. They're weird this year.
That's so close.
That's what I think about those two guys. I think it's funny. They're like, okay, granted, I got 100 waypoints on this lake. I don't know if I'd do what they did. I don't know if I feel. That's my waypoint is a spot like that every 30 feet.
Hey, he's not fishing for walleye.
No.
Like he's out there for bluegills on tiny little ultralights. So
That's what I mean. Like, if you're fishing for bluegills, those are a dime a dozen.
Right, clearly.
what do I think? You're asking me?
No, I'm not asking.
Oh, I knew it was a walleye, but I thought it was bigger than that. It is a bit different.
Swallowing shit. Isn't it? The not walleye.
Aye, that hurt.
Bastard. He literally swallowed the hook.
Yeah, he did. Did he take the hook with it?
Yes.
Yeah, he did. So put him in here. We'll get the hook out.
Wait. Hold on.
It's a good excuse to keep him.
No, it's not.
He's gonna be dead as fuck.
You're right.
Yeah, and also you're spending fishing time.
Okay. Bimini down. That's that Bimini down life. I'll take it. Wait, Bimini busted.
That is 16 footer.
It is really short. That's like a 12 and a half.
Bringing them in when you're holding it.
Yeah.
It's like the fuckers didn't swallow it, so they are a little apt to fall off. It ain't like we don't have enough, and it ain't like we ain't gonna get more. It still boggles my mind when the kids get mad that a bluegill falls off the pole. Like, what do you care?
Happy usually if when I'm fighting a hard-head, it's manages to like, just get it on your own, please. I know, just take care of yourself, please.
I think we found more fish out here than we were in there last time too.
He'll eat, but yeah, go ahead.
Okay, it's the side. Ready? There's a blue one. Blue face.
I'm gonna hold on to this one so that you can see him back at the house with the blue. I'm doing that just for you.
Oh, I see. He's sized.
I don't think he is, but let's take a look. Let's
I don't think
do our due diligence.
he's a knot. I think he's a knot.
A lot of shorts in here lately.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I was thinking just let him go.
Let's see. This guy's coming in at 13 and a half.
Here's some maybe.
We ran into a lot more out here deeper.
Yeah, definitely.
Right species.
Oh, I don't know, man. Just in case.
Dude, you have Taylor Swift on in your boat. And get as far away from me as you can.
I feel like they have the movie on. Too.
I could give it. They can stick around because they're not catching fish if that's what they're doing.
13.
Have you ever once watched a TikTok video?
Yeah.
And you're like people catching bad fish and you got Katy Perry jamming in the background radio?
All the time.
All the time.
All the time. Oh, that's Muskie Jack. He likes to play a lot of Katy Perry.
It's a big.
Yeah.
It's a big road fan.
It's an awful big lake.
The night that we got stuck in Kansas City.
Keep going straight, and I'll start putting shit away. I won't turn around.
That's fine. Let's do that. Let's just start putting stuff away while we're still doing this. I think the rest of this run will be just depressing enough for us to not feel bad about quitting. Thank you so much for joining us on a pretty chill little afternoon here at the lake. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing so that you can come along with us on all of our family fishing adventures, just like that one right there. And of course, we have our entire 7th season of fishing videos available right down over there. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.